In today's unique challenge featuring Tom and Jerry, viewers are presented with the Don't Sneeze challenge. The scene kicks off as Tom encounters a pepper shaker while chasing Jerry in the kitchen, unknowingly releasing a cloud of pepper into the air. As Tom scrambles to continue the chase, he can't resist the tickle in his nose, leading to a series of exaggerated comical sneezes that he just can't control. Audience members are urged not to sneeze themselves, despite the contagious and amusing scenario unfolding on screen. They are invited to share in the comments if they manage to hold back, making this an interactive and laughter-filled challenge.